Yeah, hi, morning Steve, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD. What I've basically done is I've changed the laser on that. I did test it before, I'd do anything obviously, and the laser was dead. So I've replaced that for you. I've given it a good clean up. It's quite gummed up. Well, most of them usually are, to be honest with you, but I'll give it a clean up anyway. Get rid of all the old grease in there, and I've re-greased it up. I use a bit of Vaseline on them, and it works as good as. So yeah, that's all good for you. You can see the date on there, and yeah. So that one there is going to go out to you today via priority mail. So hopefully you should have that tomorrow morning. Please leave feedback. Let others know that what we do basically, and help others to get a deal done, and that's great. You got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour. Okay, we don't give any hassle. If there's something wrong, just send it back and we get it sorted for you. Okay, as long as it's the work that we've done, we'll always sort it. I know most people do give hassle, but anyway, we wouldn't do that, and it's very rare that we get them back anyway. I hope you have plenty of fun with this, Steve, and you have a great New Year and a great Christmas, and your jukebox is running around while you're drinking a good beer. Thank you very much, and have a good one. Thanks, buddy.